Hello everyone, it's Tanny with Southern Angel Stamping. I'm going to be showing you the Perennial Essence cardstock or 12x12 DSP and the Ballard DSP 12x12. So stay tuned and I'll be showing you a flip through of what these papers look like. I'll see you in just a few minutes. Hi everyone, I want to welcome you to my channel. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please remember to go subscribe. Remember to click on the bell so you'll be notified. Also remember to give this video a thumbs up and share. That helps my channel grow. And remember, if you put in an order for any of the Stampin' Up supplies, you can use this host code. And my website is southernangels.stampinup.net. I'd love to be your demonstrator. I am a new demonstrator looking for some customers. Now these are what I'm going to be showing you today. If you haven't seen them yet, these are, we have a new catalog. This is our new catalog. You can see that on my website. And on page 90, 91 and 92, you'll see the Ballard suite, and you'll see everything that comes in that suite. Everything's done in suites this year, and I love how they have that. So like if you want everything that shows in the picture, you just get that one number that they have and you can get everything. And then underneath it shows what you get. And then if you just want, say, the stamp, it shows underneath the number and the price. Free as a bird stamp set. You can go underneath, put in that number, and it shows you the price, or the dies, or the paper like I'm going to show you, and so forth. It goes on like that. I'm going to be showing you the paper, the DSP, and DSP stands for Designer Series paper, if you didn't know. So I'm going to show you the Ballard paper. I'm also going to show you the Perennial, and isn't this beautiful? Both papers are very pretty. I'll show you that, and all the papers are back here. If you want to just see all the DSPs. They start right here on page 165, and I hope I'm in view. Hope y'all can see that. 165, a lot of new ones, and they go through 167. So if you just want to look at the DSPs. The two I'm going to be showing you right now is like I said, the Ballard. And then this one here, the Perennials, on with that. We'll start with the Ballard. And they are double-sided. You get two of each. Let's see, do I need to zoom in? Let me zoom in so y'all can see better. Is that better now? Okay. Got the little birdies, and then on the other side, that's better. It's got like a distressed peachy with little dots. Little birdies again. And then these stripes. Here's some keys. Beautiful flowers. Bird cages. feathers. Some birds again. These look like the seagulls at the beach. Love the background of it. Some flowers again. That peach background behind it. Kind of watercolor effect. Some little birds on flower branches. I love that watercolor effect behind it too. And just kind of a yellow, some kind of, looks like almost little branches maybe. And that was the last piece. And let's see, I believe it says the colors on here. Basic black, basic gray, Bermuda Bay, Calypso Coral, Crumb Cake, Daffodil Delight, Old Olive, Petal Pink, Wool Party, Smoky Slate, Soft Suede, and Whisper White are the colors in this. In the perennials, there's Bermuda Bay, Blackberry Bliss, Blueberry Bushel, Calypso Coral, Crushed Curry, Flirty Flamingo, Mossy Meadow, Old Olive, Petal Pink, So Saffron, and Whisper White are the colors in the perennials. Pull that out. Had my reading glasses on, we might could see a little better. These are definitely like a painting. They look. Some people say watercolor, but I think it looks more like an oil painting to me. Y'all can tell me in the comments below what y'all think. Yeah, that's what I think. I feel more like it looks like a oil painting. That's the back of that one. And it looks like it's so textured. These are put them on this side. It just looks so much like an oil painting. That one just looks like it just feels so textured. This looks like grass, painted grasses. Did I miss something? Maybe not. I feel like I missed one. Okay, maybe not. I tried to have them all flip different ways so that we could see. Turn that way. The sides. And then that's the last one. So like I said, if you want to order any of these, remember to go to my website, southernangels.stampinup.net, put in the host code. You can get these or any other products, and I'd appreciate it. And again, thank you for watching. Remember to give this video a thumbs up. Also remember to subscribe and click that notification bell if you haven't already. Thanks for watching. Continue to watch for more videos. We'll see you again real soon.